Hey guys, this is my MCP trial project that I was inspired to build after the MCP talk at DigitalOcean. So the way it works is I have the MCP protocol, is the SDK from MCP server, and I'm using Google API and all that. So the way it works is we have the credentials from the Google Auth that you have to get from the google.console.com or something like that, and then you download your service.json file, and then you put it in your src directory or root directory, wherever your script.js or index.js lives, and you get the spreadsheet ID, and then you have to mention the range, how far or how many rows or columns you want to populate. Then it mostly checks for credentials. If credentials are there, it will start to read. I was getting a huge error with the credentials, so I had to sort of write this logic, and then it just calls the Google Auth and then starts to move through the function. So I kind of created some like a I created a CRUD type thing where users can just create, read, update, and delete. So I'm just gonna quickly run my index.js with the nodemon. I love nodemon because I don't have to restart my server like 10 times. So anyway, so I already created those rows, right? As you can see, now I'm just gonna like start to delete it and see if it works. So now it's gonna call that tool that I already mentioned, delete sheet row, right? So I say allow once. Now it's going to delete that row number 4. So it says I've successfully deleted row 4 from the Google Sheet. The row has been removed from the spreadsheet. Is there anything else you'd like to me? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, something has been deleted, right? Great. Now let's go ahead and update our. I have this prompt right here. Use the updated spreadsheet, right? Use the update sheet tool to replace 3 with 12 apples, 25 bananas, and 18 rows. Let's see how that goes. So row number 3 will be updated. Yep, so row number 3 is updated, right? And then let's see, I've been saying remove row 4, but it looks like row 4 don't even exist. So let's say row 1. Let's see what happens. So use the delete sheet row, right? And you go here, row number 2, boom, it's removed. Oh, I guess it removes from the bottom. Interesting. Okay. Well, let's populate it with more data. Something like this. I'm just gonna make a random number. See if that does it. So use the write sheet tool. Okay, so now it finally has a title. Earlier was having a hard time giving me the title, but now you can see the column header and all that, and you can start to like add more and more, right? So you can say, you know what, I'm not gonna update row 3 because it's already popular. Let's say row 4. Alright, let's see what it does. Yeah, so it starts to slowly populate. I think this will be pretty useful if you have to enter like a large amount of data. I'm still gonna look on like the type of data format you need to feed your LLM and how convenient it is. If it's like a large amount of data, you need to enter like, I don't know, 500 rows, right? Like this will make life so much easier for everyone. So yeah, I'm working on this. This is the problem I'm solving. Okay, until next time, thanks for checking it out. Bye.